In this video, I will tell you about the blocks in AutoCAD. In our projects, especially when we're going to use pre-made objects like screw nuts in machinery, or doors and windows in architecture, these are all standard measurements. So when using objects with standard measurements, we can mostly assign them as block objects. So what do we use them for? Let's say that on our screen we have a project, and I want to continuously place an external object into the corners here. To do this, the easiest way is something that we'll see soon. We can use the move or copy methods to copy these objects and carry them there. We can create a copy there. As you see, I grabbed it from the center point and copied each to the corners here. But if later we want all the lines in our project to extend out of the circles right here, and if they're short, then we need to change the entire project for the modify process. This is just like you're using a bolt in a project with a length of 50 millimeters, but you want to convert it into a standard 55 millimeters. If there are 1000 bolts in the project, then you would have to convert it into a standard 55 millimeters manually. Here, we can solve these problems with the block method. It's faster to use and manage. So, how do I turn this object into a block? Located under the Home tab in the Block panel, this Create button here can be used to create my first block. I'll name it 1. And I can grab it from here with pick point. I click Select Object in the Object section and tell it that these objects will be in this block. And later, I click OK to create the first block. Now my block is defined in AutoCAD even if I delete this object. I will use the Insert method, as you can see here. I click on it, and now it is placed here right from the center point of the circle. I can insert the block here as much as I like. If I want, I can type Insert into the command bar and open the Insert panel. Let me try it again. Here it is. Now you see, we can directly do it from the Insert panel. I take the grabbing point and I leave it here again. I can do it as much as I like anywhere I want. So now, if I'm going to make any changes here, how do I make them? For example, I double click the block here and the block editor appears. I click OK, and here I can make the changes. I extend this point, and let's even change the inside of it. Using the hatch command, I can fill in the screen like this. I press enter and close the window and save the changes. As you can see, all the changes I made to the block have been applied automatically to all other windows. The other objects have also changed. So, do we have to use insert every time? No, we can just modify our block with the copy command and copy it as many times as we want. Later, we can see them defined as a block when we want to edit them. I can close the window here, and you can see whenever I right-click on any of them and go into Properties, we can see that it is a block reference, and we can see the other properties as well. As you can see, the scale, its layers, and its location are among the data that we can access here. This part is now defined as a block. What we'll do here is to use the Create button to create a new block, and use Insert to insert our new blocks. If you'd like, you can use the block editor located below to edit the blocks on your lists, and apply the changes directly on your blocks. In this video, we told you about the blocks in AutoCAD, and we hope to see you in the next video.